Everybody, welcome back to this week's episode of my Let's Play Career Mode. This week we are at Phoenix. Unfortunately, I did not qualify very well. For some reason my car was so loose, but I really don't know why. It just jumped out so bad on me. Hopefully, the race will be better. Alright, well here we go, guys. Here we go. The race at Phoenix.
Welcome to Fox Sports coverage of the Subway Fresh Fit 500. Mike Joy with Darrell Waltrip for this annual Duel in the Desert.
Mike, it's an interesting racetrack. It's 1 mile. It's been reconfigured, and they got that dog leg up the back, and that opened up some passing lanes, if you will. You can cut that dog leg, but you got to be careful when you come back up on the track.
The 1 mile Phoenix International Raceway sits in stark contrast to the 2.5-mile superspeedway at Daytona. Today, we'll have a chance to see who the early season flat track specialist of the Nascar Sprint Cup Series is.
It's a pretty cool trophy. Here we go, guys. Denny Hamlin's on the pole.
Let's go racing in the t-shirt, boys and girls. One up top.
Man, that car's so loose.
Car outside, at your door. Coming on the high
Had
side.
to got a gas at teeny bit entering
Car
that
outside
corner.
you.
Sorry, buddy.
3 wide, 2 outside. High side.
Move up. Move down, dude. For real. That pace. Oh, got no deep. My bad. I'll take blame for that one.
Clear high.
My bad, whoever I did that to.
High side's clear. Keep rolling. Clear on the inside.
There, Boyer, don't do it. Turbo shit last week.
Go up high. One inside. Still inside.
Oh, really? Alright, thanks a lot,
Three
Trevor
wide,
for diving
two
it in
inside.
there.
Car inside you.
Back to 38th position. Wow. Then re-went, really?
Check
My
your
God.
inside.
Don't know what happened to this.
Car inside.
Last time I raced here, I was dominant.
Car inside at your door. Got one work at the bottom. Put it on the left. We've been here before, buddy. Come on, let's pick it
Hope I
up.
can get a few of these spots back.
There's a 5-second gap between you and the lead. It's too fast, man. Check up, check up.
37th position. Oh, they're going way slow up there.
Go to the high side. Keep rolling, keep rolling.
There you go, got one back at least.
Clear up top. Closing on the bottom. Or in line with you. Go high, go high.
Man, I really can't catch that. Oh, God, they're way slow up ahead.
Car right behind you.
Alright, here we go, guys. Trying to get this position on Quapple.
He's charging. Clear on the outside.
Got in there way too deep. Way
Car
too
tucked in
deep.
behind you. Car one back.
Oh, Quapple.
He's coming on the inside.
Man, I hate having a car that's weak in power like that and just drive right back by me. Well, hopefully when we get to Martinsville and Bristol, that's my big strong suit. So I like the trailer tracks.
Inside.
Oh, got loose. Here comes Banana Castle.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Step it up. Car at your door. Down low. At your door. Got a car low. You got this. Nice work, man. The leader's 6 seconds ahead.
I'm gonna break dive bomb it in there. Alright, got him. Oh, he's gonna get on him on the bottom.
One on the bottom.
Oh, am I getting the wall? Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, good. Man, alright. I gotta start driving harder. Oh, here we go. Let's hold up.
Okay, let's go find
I go 2 for 1? Oh, 83. What are you doing, man? Just getting back at me like that? For real?
Play your right side.
Man, this is not a good race for me. 35th. We gotta see if I can get down here. Oh, my car got loose. It's getting up. Oh. Oh, man, I'm sorry about that, Ryan Reed. God dang, my car is pushing bad today. It's not doing this in practice.
Car up top, just looking. 7 seconds ahead to the lead car. Too fast, man. Check up, check up. No one working the top.
I was going at 160 at the finish line. Now I can't even barely hit 150.
Car at your door. Up top at your door.
Oh, man. Alright, so then cut this.
Car outside. Car up high. Car inside, just looking. Looking inside.
Don't wreck me, Danica.
Clear up high.
Oh, crap. My tires are getting worn. Oh, loose. Man, I'm really disappointed.
Watch your inside.
Oh, goddamn, get in the back of me.
Car approaching your rear. Car high. We gotta go to work now. We gotta go to work. Car 2 back.
Man.
Car inside, trying to get to your corner. First is in front by 8 seconds.
My left front tire is really worn right now, guys. Man, this is not good.
Okay, behind you.
Sorry about the switching views. I'm going to try to run on the yellow line. Sorry about switching views like that.
You gained 3/10 on the car ahead. Car closing on the inside. Watch your rear.
Seems like I'm doing a little bit better.
On your rear.
And all of you watchers out here, remember Kurt Busch did me last week, just letting y'all know I will get him back. So next time me and him have another collision, that will not be on accident.
We're on the high side.
Oh, he's going to cut me off. Really, 40? Okay, let's try this
Car
here
2
again.
back. There's a 9-second gap to the leader. Clear on the outside.
Man, Kyle Busch is good here in this game. Oh, got in the wall.
Car inside, trying to get to your corner. Car approaching your rear. And you're clear. Come on, let's do this now. It's time to go to work.
All I can say is at least I'm not hitting the wall. That's all I can say to that. There you gotta go run on him.
Car at your door. Up top at
Oh,
your
side
door.
by side. Oh, my car's pushing.
Watch your inside. The leader is 10 seconds ahead.
Oh, he cut me off. Really, 40?
Right side's clear.
You guys saw that, right? Sorry if I wrecked him, but I didn't think I did.
All right,
I thought
behind
he
you.
came down on me. see if I can run down Casey Mears. Looks like I'm pulling away from them a little bit. And for my car's probably better on older tires. Only getting the wall. Oh man, that was a big hit. Crap. That hurt. Now they're back on me. Man, for real car? It's pushing so bad now. Don't cut me off. Thank you, Quackle. Alright, really, Travis? What the fuck is wrong with you, Travis Quackle? No, that's bullshit. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? God damn. And that left front tire being that warm is killing me. Hey, do you guys have any suggestions on setups for this track? Because I really am not good here, even though when I was playing on multiplayer, they like dominated. So, if you guys have any like kind of setups that I could use for tips and shit, please send them. This is irritating me because I did so good on this track and now my car's tight like that right there. 41st, this sucks. Man, I'm so disappointed on this. I'm gonna try racing like a lane higher. I'm pulling away from Castle. I guess I have to start running back on the bottom, running the lane up, and kind of losing ground. They're starting to kind of catch up to me. I'm gonna try to run back how it was, a couple laps. I'm gonna try cutting this bit. Cut that boy big. Sorry I'm being so quiet. This video is just, I'm like, so mad at myself for not doing this good. Here you go. 5 to go. Can Kyle Busch get his first win of the season? Alright. 4 to go. Oh, and Cass is making a run on me. I'm going to try my best not to finish in 43rd. Oh, he's got a run on me. Please don't come up on me. Will he get it done? He's got it done. Back to 42nd. 4 to go. Or 3 to go. Oh, my car slid up. Man, that left front tire is killing me. Now we're at 3 to go, excuse me. The car's just too tight this race. Just a little too tight. I think that worked a little bit as long as I don't hit the wall. I think that worked a little bit pretty good. 2 2 to go. Kyle Busch is coming up with a white flag. White flag is out. If a caution comes out, there will be no green, white checkered. Kyle Busch, hold on. Man, I'm a long ways behind them. 20 seconds, man. And it looks like Kyle Busch will come down and take his first checkered flag of the year at Phoenix in Avondale, Arizona. And now I'll come down and finish 42nd. Man, hopefully Las Vegas is better. Oh man, 42nd. Pretty disappointing. Pretty damn disappointing. Sorry for my language that race, by the way. It's really damn disappointing. Alright, but the results. Kyle Busch first, Denny Hamlin second, Jeff Glenn third, Brian Vickers fourth, Casey Kane fifth, Jamie Murray sixth. Look at David Reagan. Wow, he did a good race. Finished seventh, Brad Keselowski eighth, Austin Dillon, the rookie ninth, and Dale Earnhardt Jr. will round up the top 10. Alright, I'm sorry for the, bad finish, guys. But next week at Vegas, I should be much better. Alright, see you guys out in Vegas.